Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, June 26, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, well, let's talk about the Dow first. I called it up for today. It did, in fact, officially go up. It closed up 15 points, but it was kind of a stalled rally, if you ask me. It started out very strong, looked like it was really going to take off, and then it failed up here, came all the way back and went a little bit negative, and then it did come back and then sold off at the end. And based on this pattern, I am going to call the Dow down for tomorrow, and I don't count on a big sell-off. And of course, it could go up, but my call for the Dow for tomorrow is going to be down. Hey, in spite of this kind of lackluster pattern in the Dow, we still had a really good day. I'm very pleased. We had about $4,000 positive open trade from Friday, and by the time we got out of that, we more than doubled that. We got out with, well, pretty close to $10,000 open or closed out trade for today, which is really good. And then then on top of that, we in spite of this bad pattern we had, we got into seven new positions. Only two were positive, five were negative. That's not a very good ratio, but fortunately those negatives are pretty small and the two positives are pretty big. So we're carrying positive $1,600 going into tomorrow. So hey, we close out 10 positive and carrying 1,600 positive going into tomorrow. That is a good day. Won't complain about that at all. I don't have a whole lot to show you because most of the stuff was kind of on the small side, but I do have one really nice trade to show you. Excuse me here. We get things messed up here. Yeah, there we go. Um, this is Cara Therapeutics, and I think I showed you this on Friday, but maybe I didn't. I can't remember. Anyway, on Friday we got this big gap up in Cara Therapeutics. We buy the gap we bought in, and then it goes against us. I think it closed here slightly negative, but it gaps up again this morning and pushes up here and gets us out. And even though this chart may not look like we got a huge amount of money here, we do. We made $4.1 thousand on this exit here, 4,100 bucks, and then the thing keeps going. We get re-entered on it. This was kind of scary, you know. It did pull back right after we got in. It was negative for a while here, but then it started moving again. Had a very strong bar here with last half hour, and just pulled back a tiny little bit. But it's closing pretty darn close to the high there, and we're carrying another $1.8 thousand, $1,800 in open trade in Cara Therapeutics. And I think, in fact, that was our biggest open trade for today. So, hey, just a beautiful, beautiful market for us, and two beautiful trades right there. Very pleased with that. Anyway, as I say, 10,000 closed out, 1,600 open trade. I'll take that anyway, any day. Trader Bob is happy. See you tomorrow on Tuesday.